Welcome to Epic Stock Due Diligence. Please subscribe at youtube.com/EpicStockDD. Thank you.
Hey everyone, Ed here. I just want to talk about a new type of penny stock play. Now, appreciate all the subscriptions already, and thanks for joining me here on EpicStockDD on YouTube, youtube.com/EpicStockDD. Now, something that a lot of people don't think about when they're playing penny stocks. Now, keep in mind, your penny stocks, your micro cap stocks, are ultra high risk anyway. But obviously, with greater risk comes a possibility of greater reward. Now, possibility, nothing's guaranteed, especially within the micro cap stock realm. So, one thing that one might want to do if they want to deal with ultra high risk plays is to look for reverse mergers. Now, at a high level, what a reverse merger is, it's kind of like an IPO, which is an initial public offering in the big board world. So what a lot of people will do, a lot of smaller companies that may not have the money to go the IPO route, which is ultra expensive, they may participate in what's referred to as a reverse merger. So reverse merging involves a microcap stock, preferably one that has good share structure. You can watch my video on share structure, but one that is just inactive for whatever reason. So they're going to take an existing company that's no longer really doing anything, and they're going to reverse merge, make themselves, their privately held company, public by going through this existing shell. And you may hear the word shell play. And shell play, shell in a nutshell is just a that sounded goofy. Shell in a nutshell. But a shell is essentially a company it's active from the standpoint that it can be bought and sold, but it's somewhat inactive from the standpoint that they're not really doing anything to generate revenue. So those shell plays are what to look out for. Now, again, this is Epic Stock Due Diligence, so I'm not going to step through every step in the process. I can encourage you to research reverse mergers, research shell plays, and tricks for identifying potential shell plays. And then do your, as my other videos have stated, do your own due diligence, do your research, see if you feel that reverse merger may occur, based upon opinions in forums, based upon official press releases. Do your own due diligence and see if it's something that you feel is worth the risk. There's a lot of these, and it doesn't always happen. A lot of times companies that it may seem like there's no way they're going to avoid this going through this reverse merger. Typically there's always an out, and a lot of times reverse mergers don't go through. But when they do, typically the gains are at least a few 100%, if not thousands or hundreds of thousands of %. So you're talking potentially a stock that's trading in the 000 range, and you know how I feel about 000, ultra high risk, but potentially a stock that's trading in the 000 range that could potentially go up to 30 or 40 cents. I mean, that's an extreme scenario, but it does happen. There's a lot of examples out there, and if you research reverse mergers, you'll probably find a list of historically awesome reverse merger plays. So just something to play around with, and again, this is just for entertainment purposes only. Should not be considered a recommendation to buy or sell security. I would encourage everyone, if you haven't already subscribe to my channel. It's youtube.com/EpicStockDD, and then also check out my book. I got a link to the book within this video's description. It's available in the iTunes store. It's called The Penny Stock Perfectionist. It's only a few bucks. So if you got an iPad, it may make a very entertaining read for you since you're into penny stocks. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and more videos to come. Welcome any feedback or suggestions that you may have for future videos. Have a good one.